found this guy outside, and there was a cat like playing with him. It looked like a younger cat, someone's house cat, the collar, trying to play with him, and I shooed the cat away. And this guy is, I don't see any marks, any blood marks or anything, but when I went to go pick him up, he didn't fly away. He doesn't like really want me to put him down on the ground. He doesn't, there he goes. But earlier he wasn't letting me put him down on the ground, like he was scared of the ground for some reason. But he's a real small guy, and I think I'm gonna take him over to the vets and see if they could take him for me. I don't know what to do with him. I'm afraid if I take him to the vets, well, I just don't know what to do with him. I don't know if I can hand raise a little bird like this. So I don't know what to do.